How to sync contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sync contacts on your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you're on your WhatsApp and you've just logged in into your account. After doing that, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down all the way till you find the apps section. Tap on apps and then head over to WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp and then after you're on WhatsApp, you'll see allow WhatsApp to access section right there. Now there you'll find the contacts option. Tap on contacts and make sure that you have given it full access. If it's on none, your WhatsApp will not get synced to your contacts. So make sure that the full access is available, and after doing that, your contacts will sync on your WhatsApp. And that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.